Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do project number 1 in the Kindred Greetings Paper Pumpkin Kit. So we need a card base, we need this card front, a greeting banner, the hello, and this little set of leaves. So you'll notice that I have not taken this apart, and there's a reason for that. All these little inset pieces need to be placed equally on the card front. So I thought I would leave everything attached. And this is the same size as the card front. So I can put this down with all of the dimensionals and then peel this off. So that's your tip for today. So the first thing I need to do is I need to do my stamping. So I've got my gray granite block or Stampin' spot, and I've got my stamps. Okay, so I'm going to take the hello or the friend, and I store my Stampin' spots upside down. That's why it's got gray granite written on the back of it. Now I'm just going to pull this a little bit closer to me so that I can see what I'm doing. That's going to stamp down like that. There we go. And then this needs some scatter dots on it. So I'm going to just stamp right over everything on this. And so I'm going to ink up my scatter dots, and I need some up here. And some in the middle. And then some at the bottom. Okay, so we'll get all of that sorted out. Let's just put that off to the side. We don't need the ink anymore. What it is telling us though is we need a whole bunch of dimensionals. So I am just going to put the dimensionals down. We need 3 on each one of these panels. So I'm just going to continue doing this. I'm actually going to pause the video while I get all of this set up so that you don't need to see me doing this. I'm going to put 3 on each of these, then I'm going to peel them off, and I'll come back to the video when I'm going to adhere them to the front. Okay, we're down to our last row of peeling the backs off of the dimensionals. I do say that most of my videos are me peeling the backs off things. Okay, so we've got this. We've got our card base and we've got our card front. So I'm going to line this up in the corners. Make sure I'm straight, and then I'm just going to pop that down. Okay, then I'm going to pick up this edge. And I'm just going to very carefully remove the pieces. And that way, everything is perfectly aligned, and we didn't have to guess, we didn't have to fudge, we didn't have end up with a crooked one. So let's just peel that out. There we go. Magic, right? Absolute magic. Okay, so to do the rest, we need to put tear and tape on the leaves here, and we need to put dimensionals on the hello and on the greeting. So let's do that. We need a dimensional here, here, and here, and then we need ones right on the edges, whoops, of here. Okay, and let's get our tear and tape going. And they want a piece here. And here. And then just a little piece in the middle there. Right here. Okay, now I'm just going to peel those off. There we go. And the nice thing about tear and tape is if you put too much on, you can always roll it back on itself. So then this ends up going on here like that. There we go. And then we take the hello and we add that. Okay. This is such a pretty card. This is going here like this. Maybe up just a little bit higher, like that. And then this is kind of going between, just at the bottom here. And I'm trying to decide if it's tucked in or if it's over top. Oh, it just tucks in like that. So there we go. That is our first project using the Paper Pumpkin Kit for August 2026. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.